Hey, welcome to yet another video. Okay, this side Shubham, I'm a transformation coach, and in this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, a very trending topic. Like people always ask, like if I can do on myself the weight loss, why would I need a coach where I have to do some investments? Okay, so I am almost a transformation coach from last 3.5 years. I've helped over 200 plus people to lose their weight up till like 68 kgs. Okay, my client has lost almost 68 kgs. So throughout my experience, what I have summarized, what I can summarize, I have summarized in this particular video. So just stick to this video, stay till the end, and I'm going to clear some reasons, and I will also give you a gift at the end. Okay, if you stick till the end, I want to give you a gift to just watch this full video and gain the insights from this video. Okay, so let's understand the first reason. Okay, why you need a coach to lose weight. Okay, the reason number one is, if you could do it by yourself, you could have already done it. You would have already done it. Okay, अगर आप अपना खुद का वेट लॉस कर सकते थे तो यू वुड हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. आपने खुद कर लिया होता. ओके, आपने मेंटेन कर लिया होता. राइट, सो आपको नहीं पता है तो यू नीड अ हेल्प. ओके, वो लाइक यू नीड अ हेल्प, और यू नीड proper structured plan, guidance, support, accountability. Okay, the coach is already the person who has already gone through that journey, or maybe he has or she has the experience, like through his clients. Okay, that how you can avoid the steps which can put you in the in a hole. Okay, so just to avoid those mistakes, you can just have a coach. Okay, so this is the first reason. If you could do it by yourself, you would have already done it. Okay, the reason number two is, you can't do it alone. This is for majority, because life is not linear. Okay, like there are a lot of events, there are a lot of things, relationship stuff, professional stuff, your work life balance, and there are a lot of things that comes in between when you are walking through your life. Okay, so sometimes what happens is, like, we just get off track. Okay, we just get sidetracked, we get distracted, and sometimes it becomes hard to come back to the plan, following the plan again. Okay, so like majority people can't do it alone, and that is why, according to University of California research, out of 10, 9 people fail while they are on their weight loss journey, while they are doing their weight loss. Okay, another than that, the reason number 3 is, your coach can design the best weight loss plan for you. Okay, because the coach has experience. He himself or herself might have transformed her or himself, and plus along with that, he or she may also have transformed his or her clients. So through his or her experience, they can guide you better. Okay, they can give the best plan according to your suitable schedule, routine, so that you can follow it, and you can stick it for even after you achieve your weight loss. So that way you can maintain your weight so that it can't be regained. Okay, so reason number 4 can be, helps you stay focused on your weight loss goal. Right now, as I said in the earlier reason, okay, like sometimes a lot of things happen, events, occasions, festivals, and we get just sidetracked, we get demotivated, we get distracted with our plan. Okay, so in that case, a coach can really help you get your focus on again. Okay, get your focus on your goal, on your weight loss goal. So coach can really help you to be stay focused. Okay, reason number 5 is, motivate you when you are not motivated. A coach can motivate you when you are not motivated, because there are a lot of times like weight loss journey is not a linear journey. Okay, sometimes what happens is sometimes you lose enough weight, sometimes you lose nice amount of weight, but sometimes the weighing scale doesn't move, okay, because of some some changes your body is going through. Okay, so it takes time to adapt some changes in your body. So sometimes what happens is your body's weight is plateau, it remains same for some time. So in that case you have to do some changes, some tweaks, some alterations in your diet, so that way your coach can really help you, motivate you in that kind of time, and it can really help you, they can really help you stay motivated. Okay, and the final reason is like the coach will do honest talk with you. Okay, they will not just like sometimes what happens is we ask our relatives, am I looking fat? Of course nobody wants to hurt your feelings, right? So sometimes majority of people will say like you are looking good, no problem, no issues, but the problem is you have issue. Okay, but they are not making you realize that, just so that you won't be hurted. Okay, you don't get hurted. So coach will always do an honest talk, okay, on a straightforward on your face, okay, and will hold you accountable. Okay, will make you realize your mistakes, will appreciate you for efforts, okay, will reward you for your milestones that you achieve. So that is how, these are the 6 major reasons according to me, my experience. These are the 6 major reasons why people should go for a coach rather than just getting on plan with themselves or by themselves. Okay, and finally the time is for gift now. Okay, so I have 3 gifts. Okay, I have 3 gifts, just stick to it. Okay, so first of all, if you want help to lose weight easily, okay, I can help you. I can really help you because I have helped transformed over 200 plus people over last 3.5 years, and I can really help you. You can just book a one-to-one consultation call. You can go on to my website shubhambhalekar.com, or you can just go on calendly.com/Shubham Bhalekar. Okay, yeah, you can just come to my website and drop me an email, or you can just get connected through my website. Okay, the second one is you can get my free meal plan guide. Okay, what you can do is go on this website shubhambhalekar.com/free guide. Okay, Shubham SHUBHAMBHALEKAR.com/free guide, FREEGUIDE, or else you can just go in the description and just type on the link and you will get on that page. Okay, another gift I have is I am conducting a webinar, okay, very soon. Okay, I conduct every weekly webinars. So I will be conducting a webinar where I will be revealing the 3 secrets to lose weight easily. The 3 secrets have helped myself to transform. I have lost 8 kgs personally and still maintaining it, and with that secrets I'm also helping my clients, my students to lose their weight in a very easy way, in a very sustained way, and you can maintain that weight lifelong. Okay, I will also tell about the 3 secrets. So the 3 secrets are like you can mindset, okay, because everything is in the mind. Okay, so first I will help you remove your blockages in your mind, okay, so that you can get on a clear focused path of your weight loss. Okay, you can get on your fast track of weight loss. And the second secret is how you can hit your nutrition goals. Okay, your body needs, like a vehicle needs fuel like petrol or diesel. The same way your body needs energy, and that energy and nutrition is you receive through food, okay, that you intake from outside. Okay, now problem is majority of the people, and even current markets wherever the vegetables and everything is sold, they are lacking the nutrition that your body needs. Okay, so I have curated a perfect structured plan which is helping me as well as my clients to lose and to sustain their weight easily. Okay, and the third secret is physical activity. Okay, what are the types of physical activities, what are the benefits of activity. First of all, you have to understand the benefits, then and then only you can decide. Okay, so even a simple easy physical activity can help you energize yourself. Okay, keep yourself at a peak of your energy. Second, keep your general mood good, and will also help you for your complexion improvement, your ability to do things. Okay, it can help you in a various ways. So the third secret is physical activity. So I will explain you all the three secrets, how you can remove the mental blockages, how you can provide your body with the right amount of nutrition, and what are the sources that you can have to hit your nutrition goals. And physical activity, what kind of activity, and you can also get access to my workouts. Okay, I conduct online workouts every day, Monday to Saturday, and along with that we also provide gifts. Okay, we also give rewards to the people who achieve their milestones, achieve their goals. Okay, so if you want help, just get into my webinar. Okay, I can really help you get fast track on your weight loss journey. Okay, so you can get in my webinar, or else you can download my free meal plan guide, where you can get started, at least get started on your journey to transform your body. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for sticking till the end. Okay, if you liked, if this video is helping you or may help you to change something in your daily life, or change your mind, if this video has changed your mindset, then just drop a like. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this with your friends and family members who may need help through this video. Okay, who can get help through this video. Okay, so do share this video, and we'll see you sure in the next video. Thank you.